this is the current state I'm in. Not cute. So not cute. And my roots are super grown out. My nails are super grown out. I have like 2 lashes left from my extensions. So, yeah. This is the state I'm in. So, the purpose of today's video is I'm going to chop all of my hair off. By all, I mean like a good amount. So, we're gonna have like this length. I think my hair is pretty long right now, so the fact of having like such long hair and then going to like shorter than shoulder length is a big deal for me right now because I haven't had short hair in so long. But why I want to cut it off is because I don't like to comb my hair. It is the biggest chore ever, and you can see that because look, what is this? Like, I know some of you are probably disgusted, like, girl, what? Well, ow, now it's stuck in my, oh my god. Look, this is why I hate having grown out nails. Look, ew, ew, no, it's ew, ew. Please don't dislike the video just from that cringe, but yeah guys, it looks like a cobweb. I'm pretty sure like everyone is having this moment where they're like, let's chop my hair off, or let's throw black box hair dye on my hair because this is not cute. I'm not at the stage yet where I'm gonna throw box hair dye on my head because my stylist would murder me. So I'm holding off when it comes to that. Okay, we're doing this. All knots are combed out. I look like a troll. Let's just tie it, I think, like somewhere there. You know what's funny but not so funny? I have slanted ass eyes and I literally cannot see straight, like leveled, because of my eyes. So let's see how this goes, shall we? I'm sweating, bro. That is why I'm wearing like a tank top. I'm scared shitless pretty much. Okay, just for sake of seeing how long my hair is, this is it. How it's gonna go. Bye bye. That's the scissors falling on my floors because I'm clumsy. Yeah, This is already going so well. Okay. I kind of want a shorter, I mean, I'm gonna do it shorter. What would Brad Mondo say? He would cringe so much right now because I know I'm gonna butcher it. He'll laugh. He'll get a good laugh out of it if he was to see this. Because I can't even see nothing. Okay. No, 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 I'm not. I'm, oh my oh. It's done. It's done. Like, that's a weird looking chop there, D. Okay. Okay. Holy cow. It's so fluffy. Okay. Let's put this down. Okay. Okay. What's wrong with me? Okay. Can't see. Woo. Wait, do you can't speak. Do we like this length? I don't know. Okay, here, just stay on the floor for now. Wait, obviously we have to thin it out, and we're gonna have to look up how to thin out the hair. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, do we like it this length? I kind of want it to go shorter, honestly, but I'm kind of feeling myself a little. Something about short hair, it just, I don't know, it makes me feel free. Okay, let's see how the back looks. The back is always like the biggest joke. Oh my god, I'm cutting my hair. Well, I cut it already. Kitchen scissors. Brad, look at the unevenness. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just wait for my dad to fix it, because it is gonna automatically go shorter. Yeah. Okay, this is it for how I cut it myself, but I'm gonna have my dad like fix it a little and then style it, and we'll see how it looks. But I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling cute. Do you guys like it? Honestly, don't you lie to me. Like, was the long hair better, or is this it? Oh my god, why does that feel so short? Like, I feel it at the nape of my neck. I mean, Daddy acting like he never cut my hair before. He cuts my hair. Making me worried.
So you are it. Can't cut too much. You do too much in the weather.
Okay guys, so I cut the hair. You saw how it looked just now. It looked fine. I tried I tried to curl it. I tried to like style it. I don't know how to style short hair, and I made it look uglier than when it looked like when I first cut it. So yeah, and I only ended up curling like half of the hair, and then I was like, yeah, I don't think it's supposed to look like this, so I'm gonna give up. So yeah, first I parted in half, and then I started to curl it, and like, can you see? I can't even show you what, I can't even see what I'm showing you. But I started to curl it, and then I just gave up on like this half of the head. Yeah, but that's how it went. End of the story is I don't know what I'm doing, and this will take some practice, but I swear to you, my natural hair like looks okay with the haircut. It's just when I try to make it look nice, it does not look nice. That's it. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you found it entertaining and you learned what not to do. I guess that's how I'm gonna phrase it, because I don't know how to cut my hair myself. I mean, I tried. I don't know. I like it. I do like it. It's just my hair is up right now because you guys saw. I tried curling it and it did not turn out well. So I'm gonna wash it and practice styling it again. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more content from me. I know it's not my usual content, but yeah, I don't know. I was like, hey, it's 3 a.m. Let's chop my hair off because there's nothing else to do. There's plenty. There's so much other things to do, guys. But my brain was like temporarily off. So that's what happened. Yeah, seriously guys, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you like my vibe. That's it. I'll see you guys on my next one, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.